After waiting outside Rogers Arena for about an hour, found these guys.
I thought you were dead.
Yeah, my phone died. I had no way of getting a hold of them. Thanks for the place to crash for a couple minutes. Appreciate it. Currently heading to the airport. 11:24 p.m. and our flight's not till 6:20 a.m. We're gonna go crash at the airport. Call it a night. Going to Thailand. Gonna have a friend to travel with. Yes. Go. It's like having that like mindset of like, if shit does go wrong, like it'll be okay.
Maybe like the whole trip on that.
Most of it. So the reason that we're on the SkyTrain right now, 7 hours before our flight, is because we didn't really have any other way of getting to the airport from Nanaimo. There's no ferry or plane or anything that goes that early in the morning. So we're deciding to go to the airport way early and just like sleeping there and hanging out there, getting some work done. Tim Hortons, you said it, better be open.
I was gonna tell you a fact if you want to hear it.
Yeah.
The pink inner corner of your eye is what's left of a third eyelid humans used to have.
The more you know. Just made it to the airport and luckily Starbucks is open. Awesome, thank you so much. About 3 o'clock in the morning. We haven't slept yet. We're gonna wait till we're on the plane to sleep. Eddie's practicing his handstands. Gotta stay fit anywhere you can. So that's my main pack that I brought. It's like 75 liters, it's a pretty big bag. But this is my camera bag, and this bag fits into that bag if I need it to. It works out perfect. So in here, as you can see, I have like my camera, my hard drives, I got a lens, I got my mic, a book, batteries, more batteries. In this zipper, I have all of my cords and wires. So I'm pretty stoked about this bag. It should come in pretty handy. And it turns out that my jacket also doubles as a little travel pillow. We made it through customs, free food. Got caught bringing a knife in my bag. Got confiscated. Nothing gets your blood going quite like getting caught with a sharp blade at the border.
This is like tall people.
No, nothing likes tall people. Gucci. Alright, so this will be officially my first time leaving North America. I'm pretty stoked. Breakfast of champions. Just landed in Japan, about 4-hour layover. We're an hour earlier than we were supposed to be. We're gonna hang out, probably charge up the computers, find some food, and head over to Bangkok. Alright, so here's the situation. We just got into Japan. There's a currency exchange place right there. Except I forgot to take Canadian cash out before I left. Just didn't even think about it. And it's cash only. They only accept cash there for exchanges. So I'm hoping that once we get to Bangkok, I'll be able to exchange some money. The only issue is that we're going to be getting into Bangkok around 12 a.m. Not only that, but Eddie's credit card has decided to not work. Apparently his issuer is not allowing it to go through. So
once we get there, it's fine because I can just use
it's turned into a bit of an adventure so far. Got the ramen, got the eggs and bacon. You know, we're basically eating breakfast at this point.
You're ready to try more unknown meats than you've ever tried in your life.
I've literally lost all concept of time. I don't know, I'm just kind of going with it at this point. But I tell you, this food smells real good. First time ever on a Rolls Royce. We're on the taxi. Got to Bangkok. I'm already sweating. It is humid. And
Plus 6695.
couldn't be more excited. We're gonna go find our hostel now. There's so much stimulation when you're driving. There's cars going this way and that way. There's people on bikes without helmets. It's craziness here. Just got to our hostel. Gonna go check it out, see how it looks. So humid here. This is gonna take a bit of getting over. The Bed One Hostel. Let's rock it. This is my bed.